Okay, morning guys. Water's off at the apartment today, so we're going down to the Four Kings for breakfast. We're going to have a look down there. Recommended the breakfast down there, so we're going to have a look what it's like now. See where we go. Okay guys, here we are, we're nearly there now. We'll walk down. A few people recommended this place, so we're going to have a look. It's one of the places that stopped open. It's the end of the fence here. Fences. Pretty busy. The workers in here, the food won't be that bad, I don't think. Trying to find all the good places. Okay guys, we're going for something to eat now. See you later on. We're going to redo the review from the Four Kings this morning. Now we're back home. What did you guys think of the breakfast? Hang on, I'll come over to you. There you go.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty nice. Well worth the money, actually.
Yeah, definitely very good. Well worth the money.
Yeah.
Get in before 12 o'clock.
And it'll be cheaper.
Yeah, it's cheaper before
So what
12.
price was the breakfast there?
The small breakfast was $1.50. I think it was for $2.75 you could have extra sausage on it.
How much is the super jumbo?
The super jumbo that Mike had was $3.75, and that's like free bacon, free sausage, beans, tomatoes, 2 eggs,
Yeah,
toast, mushrooms.
Pretty big, wasn't it?
Yeah. And that's $3.75 before 12 o'clock, but after 12 o'clock it's only €5 something, so it's still well worth it.
Good value for money.
And I think Marcus had the large breakfast, and that was only
Jumbo.
like a jumbo breakfast. That was $3.75.
Yeah, that was nice.
So Marcus was the same price as mine then, was it?
No, sorry, tell a lie now. I think Marcus's was about $2.75 for a jumbo.
They had the big one for the super for $3.75, was it?
Yeah.
I believe so.
It's not English bacon they do down there, it's more like a gammony type bacon.
Yeah,
isn't it?
like Spanish sort
Yeah.
of bacon.
It's not Spanish bacon, it's not the thin Spanish
Oh, yeah.
bacon
But it's
stuff.
like a gammony
Yeah.
smoked bacon. It's nice bacon though.
So I'm having to do this review again because of YouTube,
Yeah.
and we got copyrighted on the music that's playing behind us.
I mean, for the three of us, for like 3 breakfasts, some drinks each, it was about €14, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So,
we got
not too bad.
had a coffee.
Yeah.
What did you have, sir?
I had orange juice.
And I had
Wrong
a
way.
Coke.
A glass of
Orange juice and Coke, was it?
Yeah, Marcus had Coke. And it's a proper mug of coffee as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, a
Mike?
proper big mug of coffee.
And it must be good because all the workmen go there that are working.
Yeah, there was a lot of workers down from
Ambassador.
Ambassador.
So I know I can think.
There's quite a few in there when we got there. We got served pretty quick and it came out pretty quick.
And it was
Yeah.
hot.
I can't really fault the breakfast.
Neither.
You know, for the price, I mean, $3.75. I don't know how they can do it for that, but
No.
there you go. It's hard times over here at the moment, and they have got the workers. I think they're trying to encourage in.
Yeah. But
So
at the end of the day, the workmen wouldn't go there if the food wasn't any good.
yeah, as Sue says, the workmen wouldn't go there if the food was rubbish. No, Spanish, never mind.
So that's the Four Kings.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Four Kings for
Going
you.
off that though, the Spanish do tend to like English breakfast.
Yeah. Okay then, that's the review.
Bye.
Okay, just had a great breakfast in the Four Kings there. Right, I'm going to move on a bit now. Sorry guys, I did mean to take a picture of the breakfast, but I was halfway through before I thought about it again. Put you down a little bit. There you go. So Four Kings House been open just after lockdown, and I've been open since. Just going to do a little walk down here now.
Hay dos tallas. Como tu hermana está más gruesa que mi mujer. Tu hermana la morena. Está contigo la que está con tu hermano.
Marcus, tell them where we are then.
Avenida Mediterranean.
Trying to avoid me there, I think. You knew I was going to ask him. A lot of these bars seem to be opening up again now. One over the road there. I'll sit down for a while. They're all Oh, sorry, it looked like it was open. It seems to still be shut. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. There are a few people about still. Here exactly where we are. Just say a lot of you recognise this one.
How are we doing today?
They're good.
How's it going?
Yeah, good.
You're the chap that's on the television.
Well, but YouTube, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Me and the lad do it, so yeah. See you later. There's the Don Poncho there, so that's, you'll know where we're at now. So we're just going to cross over while we can. First time we've been recognised for a while. Nice to see these hotels open again, busy. I think the plan is April at the moment. Depending on what happens. There you go. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. Put it together when you get back. Probably get up this afternoon hopefully. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.